I suppose every tourist who visited Paleokastritsa area and its beaches saw this monastery on the rock or on the hill. Entrance are parking free of charge, and here is a small path to the monastery. Monastery itself originally was founded in 13th century, but current buildings were erected in the 17th, 18th century. The monastery itself is not so big, but it's worth to visit. Here is a toilet, €1 or €2 entrance, as extra information for visitors. From the right side there is a small observation deck with cannon. Usually here are a lot of people who make photos. The water is crystal pure, but to regret is cold. The coldest water here in comparison with another water around the Corfu. So the monastery is, we can say, it's small, a very small area, but it's very picturesque. For example, here there is some kind of room from cactuses. Yeah. And there are a lot of trees with blossom. I visited this area in July. I don't know why in July there are a lot of flowers, not like because it's summer, not springtime, but anyway there are a lot of. And frankly speaking, this is the whole area of monastery. Very picturesque, but very small. But I can say that even in such small areas there are a lot of locations to make photos. In the center of monastery, here from the left side there is a church, small church, but to regret the light inside was very poor. That was impossible to make good quality video. Also there is some museum of monastery, only one room. The most interesting thing for me that in the center there is a very big pearl and some bones, prehistoric animal. Why they are here in the Museum of History of Monastery, I don't know. Anyway, this place is worth to visit.